Yeah, basically, like I said, roughly, this is it's a form of a film, an example of a film called chemical transport. Now, this pipe here is the one that's very different from most of the factories, the one that you can see. When you see the smoke coming out here, the smoke that's coming out here, it goes into the atmosphere and affects any harm. It's just harmful to any living organism. Now, we thought of an idea on how to stop that smoke from going to the atmosphere. We came up with an idea that you can just put a pipe here, install a pipe here on that pipe, on the bigger pipe that the smoke finding edge is on. Then you only put that pipe will go straight into the smoke drain where it is purified. Now from here, once if the smoke comes here, it will no longer go into the atmosphere. In fact, it will come here. Then here it will be boiled until it evaporates. When it evaporates, it will come out as close more. Then from here we'll take something.
Okay. Purify the smoke by boiling in the tank there is a water.
Yes.
And then now it's evaporated.
Yes.
And then boil in.
Yes. Now, even if it's still in go to the atmosphere, we just take it from here. The thing, what can I say? The oxygen that comes here, we just take it. We can take it. There are two options that we thought of. You can take it and either take it back inside to the fan as an air conditioner, then it will be like the smoke cycle. Or you can take it here and make it into other useful resources like where they need oxygen most, like in hospitals.
Okay.
Yes.
The time you boil the smoke, the oxygen is come out and also the CO2.
Sorry?
When you boil the smoke,
Yes.
the CO2 and oxygen is come out.
Yes.
And then you remove the CO2 and then use the oxygen.
What happens here, if for this experiment to work, you must have like carbon as the limiting agent, because now the smoke, like the exploration of the smoke, it's a collection of tiny particles of carbon dioxide. So what you see when you see the smoke, like you see it as a smoke, but it's not exactly smoke. It's just small ashes that they appear. So it's small particles of carbon. Yes, small particles of carbon. So if you can boil it and you find out that carbon is a limiting reagent of water at that time, basically it will come out as oxygen. Yes.